Psychological safety is critical if you want to have open, engaged, collaborative conversations. One of the ways we establish psychological safety is to set up some ground rules for our interactions. Ground rules are explicit expectations and norms for behavior in meetings and in interactions. When it comes to ground rules, you should think through rules that have to do with content, what is said, and rules that have to do with behavior and how we treat each other. A content ground rule might be that anything you say should be related to the topic that's being discussed, should stick to the agenda. A behavioral ground rule might be that we will always start with the person who is remote if there are more of us in the room. Think through your ground rules and establish them clearly, maybe on the agenda you send out or at the beginning of the meeting. You can also create your ground rules collaboratively. To do this, it actually brings people together and helps them support it because they co-created it. The downside of collaboratively creating your ground rules is it takes time. Regardless, to build psychological safety, think about creating, establishing, and reinforcing ground rules.